Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Honda CRV headlight. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a 10mm ratchet, and your new headlight bulb. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down to prevent any burns. Always check your Honda CRV owner's manual to confirm the correct bulb type for your specific model year. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's get to the headlight. You'll need to remove a few plastic clips and screws that hold the bumper or fender liner in place. Carefully pull back the fender liner to gain access to the headlight assembly. Once you have clear access, locate the electrical connector attached to the back of the old bulb. Gently squeeze and pull to disconnect it, being careful not to damage the wires. With the connector off, it's time to remove the old bulb. Depending on your CRV model, you might need to twist a retaining ring or unclip a spring. Once released, carefully pull out the old bulb. Remember, avoid touching the glass of the new bulb with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb, making sure it's seated firmly and correctly in its housing. Finally, let's put everything back together. Reconnect the electrical connector to your brand new headlight bulb, ensuring a snug fit. Carefully reposition the fender liner and secure all the plastic clips and screws you removed earlier. Before you hit the road, turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. Also, check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.